Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to propagate this plant, the Monstera minima, or also called Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Use pruning scissors to make a cutting. Cut the stem in the middle between two nodes. If you have a long stem, you can make several cuttings. Put some fresh water in a jar. Remove the leaf that is on the node that you are going to submerge in the water. It is best if the cutting already has a small root growing on the node. Put the cuttings in the glass and put it away on a sunny spot. After around 6 weeks, roots have grown on the cuttings. The cutting that has not yet developed new healthy roots will be put back into the jar. The good cuttings can now be repotted into a pot. As soil mixture, I use a mix of coco peat, perlite and bark. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of the Monstera minima. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!